Good morning, students. So today we are going to read the last part of this chapter, that is respiration in plants and the difference between photosynthesis and respiration. Respiration in plants. Plants do not have any specialized organ system for gaseous exchange. So plants do not have respiratory system like us, but still they exchange gases from their surrounding. And this is carried out through stomata by the simple process called diffusion. So what is diffusion? So it is movement of substances from the area of higher concentration to the area of lower concentration. For example, suppose the concentration of CO2 is higher in the surrounding than the leaf, then it will move from higher concentration to lower concentration, means from the surrounding to the leaf of the plants. And suppose if the concentration of oxygen is higher in the leaf, then it will move outward in the surrounding. So it depends on the concentration that is present inside or outside the plant. And actually that happens during photosynthesis and respiration. So stomata are mostly present on the under surface of the leaves and also on young stems. And in woody stems, stomata are replaced by lenticels. Lenticels are present on the woody stems, as you can see here. So this is the internal structure of a leaf, where the parenchyma cells are loosely packed. So here is the palisade mesophyll and spongy mesophyll, which forms the parenchyma tissue, and here is the space between them, which allow efficient diffusion of respiratory gases through stomata, that is carbon dioxide and oxygen. Next is photosynthesis and respiration. So we can say photosynthesis and respiration are just opposite process. Now let's see the differences between photosynthesis and respiration. So in photosynthesis, plants manufacture food, whereas in respiration, food is broken down to liberate energy. Plants cannot synthesize their food in absence of sunlight. So photosynthesis can only take place during the daytime when sunlight is present. But sunlight is not necessary for respiration. Hence, it takes place throughout the day and night. Energy for doing photosynthesis is obtained from sunlight, that is converted into chemical energy of food. Whereas during respiration, energy is liberated in the form of ATP. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is used and oxygen is released. But the opposite happens during respiration, means oxygen is used and carbon dioxide is released during respiration. Photosynthesis can only take place in the cells of green leaves and young stems, where chlorophyll is present, because chlorophyll traps the sunlight. Respiration takes place in all cells of the plants. So here given the word equation for photosynthesis, that is water, carbon dioxide in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll produces glucose and oxygen. Whereas during respiration, food, that is glucose, which formed during photosynthesis, broken down in presence of oxygen and releases energy, water and carbon dioxide.